Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to the class. In the last lecture we have started unit 11 and we have done exercise 11.1 and question number 1 in which we learn about the circumference. The formula of circumference and the calculation how to find the circumference means 2 pi r. In today's class, we are going to do the rest of the part of question number 1, which is to find area. The formula of area is just pi r square. एरिया है क्या पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक जो है वो सर्कल हो और वी कैन से एक पिज़्ज़ा पड़ा हुआ है हमारे पास और उसके बहुत सारे स्लाइसेस हैं. इन स्लाइस को हम नाम दे देते हैं 7 स्लाइस है. अब जब हम इस स्लाइस को अरेंज करेंगे कुछ इस तरह से, तो क्या ऐसे चेंज करने में और वैसे रखने में क्या इनका साइज चेंज हो जाएगा? नो. तो एरिया क्या है हमारे पास? वो इंटरनल स्पेस सरफेस है किसी भी सर्कल की. So this is area and the boundary line measurement is called as circumference and the formula that which we use is area is equal to pi r square. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर है आपके पास पेज नंबर 153 पर 1, जिसमें हमें गिवन है रेडियस 3.5 और पाई की वैल्यू हम जानते हैं क्या होती है 1.3.14. We just have to put the values of pi and r squared in the formula. The value of pi is 3.14 and r is 3.5 whole square. Let's find the square first. You have to multiply 3.5 with 3.5. 5 5 25, 2 carry, 3 5 15 plus 2 17, 3 5 cancel, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 is 9 and plus 1 10. So it will become 5, 7 plus 1 will become 13, 12 and then 2 and 1. So answer become 12.1, 12.25. So the area that we have found is 12.25 and here the its unit is centimeter square. So this is all about today's lecture class. What you have to do, you have to complete your homework is to do question number 1 of exercise 11.1 in which you have to find circumference and as well as area for all questions. Okay class, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.